It's a misconception to think of us as a trucking company. I mean, we're a global logistics business with a footprint New Zealand, Australia, Asia and the USA, and shortly we'll be in Europe. We should go close to 1.4 billion in revenue at the end of this current financial year. We have a goal of having 2 billion in revenue by 2015, to have 300 branches around the world. We'll have a strong global footprint by 2015, and I think it'll be a very different business by then compared to what we've got today.
My degree was in Bachelor of Commerce in Supply Chain Management.
I studied Business Management at the University of Waikato.
I studied Operations and Economics, and so I'm quite sort of an operations geek. Now I am an operations geek, but getting paid for it.
I have an arts degree and a law degree, and applied, got a job interview and went, oh crap, better find something out about Mainfreight.
These three different businesses are transport, which is the trucks, most of the trucks on the road, logistics, which is storing things, which is what you can see behind you, and international, which is sort of international freight movements. So getting stuff from overseas and shipping stuff overseas.
It's not just about the down and dirty moving freight from A to B, it's about the complicated nature of the supply chain. And there's an enormous amount of work to do to analyse it and to improve it. For young, intelligent, passionate people who want to make a difference to the supply chains around the world, then come and work for Mainfreight. You've got an opportunity to make a difference.